Okay, Cam, come here. All right, so we're gonna be working on our mat, and we're gonna be working on doing it where you have to stack the numbers on top of one another. Okay, so here we go. All right, so let's erase this one for right now. I don't know where I put the thing at. So okay, so let's erase this for our first try because you got the first one right, but we're gonna try to do it a little bit harder this time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so right up there, let's do 20 plus 55. All right, so right up 20 plus 55. Up top, yep, good.
20
Yep,
plus
55, 5.
55.
Okay, now stack the numbers on top of one another like I showed you.
20.
Good. The 55 underneath. Okay, now draw your line underneath. And what are we doing? Plus or minus? Okay, good. Okay, so now remember you add the top numbers and then the bottom numbers. So tell me how to do it now.
Think.
So
I put this right here.
no, you don't need.
Think.
Well, you don't need to think because you don't need your fingers or anything. It's easy. Look at what's 0 plus 5.
0 plus 5 is 5.
Okay, so write the 5 underneath because look at you're doing 0 plus 5. So remember that you got to keep the numbers in line. Don't write your 5 over there. Write your 5 right underneath here. Good. All right, and then if this is 0 plus 5, what's this?
2.
Well,
That's
2.
a 20.
Don't worry about that. Just worry about this line of numbers. So, if this is 0 plus 5, what's this plus this?
7.
Okay, then write it in. No, because you didn't have an extra 1, so it's just right there, yeah.
Under. 75.
Yeah, good. That wasn't bad. Okay. You want to practice another one real quick? Yes, that's a good answer. Okay. We'll try this one more time. This time, Dad will make it to where you have to carry the 1, okay? Like we did on the other ones. Okay, so right up there, right, 17
17
plus
plus
44.
44.
Good. Okay, now draw your numbers on top of one another like we've been doing. Give yourself space. Okay, good. 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 Okay, now remember how we do it. What numbers do we add together? It's real easy. You just look at Kim. You're just doing these two numbers first, and then you do these numbers next. So what's 7 plus 4? 7.
11.
Good. Okay, so because it's 11, you have an extra number. So, with 11, write 11 right here. Okay. What are you doing? That's an H. Okay, so 11. So 11 looks like you got 2 ones. So write the first one underneath the 4 and the 7. Yep. And then because you have an extra 1, you put it on top of the next numbers. Just like we've been doing. Yep, good. So now you add those numbers together. What's 1 plus 1 plus 4?
6.
Good, okay, so write your 6 down at the bottom there. Well That was not a 6. Here. That was a 2. Oh my goodness. Okay, got a 6. Cameron, you know how to write a 6? Look at this right there. That a boy?
That's 61.
Yeah, see? So 17 plus 44 is 61.
Oh.
Good job, buddy. You did it. See? Are you learning that one?
Yeah, I was like confused. Like, was it 60?
Okay, so one more try real quick, okay? You're doing great. I think you're really starting to get it, okay? Okay, so last one, okay? Promise. Okay, so let's do 15. So right up there, 15. Plus, let's do 19.
9.
Good. Okay, so write your numbers stacked.
15. 19.
And then remember the line.
9 plus.
Okay, so how do we start this off again? What numbers do we have to add?
1.
Hang on, boy. What are you doing? You just went right into it. What are you talking about? Tell Dada what numbers we're supposed to add first.
15. I mean, 5.
5, and then what other number do you add there?
9.
Okay, so what's 5 plus 9? 9 plus 5. Think of it that way.
14.
Good. Okay, so when you draw 14 right up here, again, just put it up there. Okay, so now that you see that number, where do you think the 4 goes? Yep, right underneath the 9. Good. And where do you think the 1 goes? No. What have we been doing before where we put the 1? It goes always on the top, buddy. Remember? There you go. So now you add those numbers together. What's 1 plus 1 plus 1?
3.
Good, okay, so write your 3 where it's supposed to go. No. Cameron, other numbers go at the bottom. You just added these down. It goes 1, 1, 1 is 3, and then it goes right there. So put your 3.
Wait, I think I get it. So you have to connect the ones.
Yeah.
And then